In this video, I'll show you how to bold text in Microsoft Word. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Microsoft Word, right? So I just typed in something now in my Microsoft Word blank document, how to do. So I'm going to show you how you can bold this text right now. So what you need to do, you need to left click your mouse, right? Left click your mouse, hold it firmly, drag it, adjust it to the very back. Now to bold this text, what you need to do, you need to click on this B icon, right? Once you have clicked on it, you see this text will bold in automatically, and you can increase the text size, right? So this is 30 size. If you click on this B now, it will remove, right? The bolding option will remove. Once you have clicked on it again, it will increase, like it will bolden the text, right? So this is how you can bolden a text in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.